Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Lefant M210 Pro, and on the right, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. Buckle up because it's about to get dusty. First up, let's talk about price. Lefant M210 Pro comes in at $209, while the Kilgone combo is a bit pricier at $267. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Lefant is already winning your wallet over. Let's talk about connectivity. Lefant boasts a faster and more stable connection with its Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi setup. It's like the Usain Bolt of robot vacuums. Meanwhile, Kilgone also offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, but it's like that friend who always shows up fashionably late. Both have app and voice controls, so you can command them to clean while you lay in bed, pretending to be a Jedi. Now, onto cleaning modes. Lefant struts in with 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. Basically, it's like having a cleaning crew with OCD. On the other hand, Kilgone has 4 modes too: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag. Zigzag sounds like it's been watching too many episodes of Dancing with the Stars. From cleaning, Lefant has a unique suction mouth that's perfect for pet owners. It's like a pet hair magnet. Kilgone, however, takes it up a notch with a 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping feature. It's like having a Roomba and a Swiffer in one. Who knew you could mop up your tears of joy while it cleans your floors? Size matters, folks. Lefant is smaller with an 11-inch diameter and a height of just under 3 inches. Perfect for those hard-to-reach places under your couch where all the lost socks live. Kilgone is equally slim at 2.91 inches, but with its 360-degree sensor array, it's like the James Bond of vacuums, dodging obstacles with style. Battery life is crucial. Lefant's battery life is decent, but Kilgone flexes with a 2,600 mAh battery that runs up to 100 minutes. That's like running a marathon while Lefant is still stretching at the starting line. And when Kilgone's done, it auto-docks to recharge. Talk about having its act together. Amazon reviewers have plenty to say about both of these robot vacuums. For the Lefant M210 Pro, users praise its cleaning performance, ease of setup, and effectiveness in picking up pet hair, especially on hard floors. However, some mention issues with the app on Android and a lack of reusable mapping. On the other hand, Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo receives high marks for its dual vacuum and mop functionality, ease of use, and ability to clean both hard floors and carpets. Some users note that its suction power is slightly lower, but appreciate its quieter operation and intelligent cleaning paths. So what's the verdict? If you're on a budget and need something compact and efficient, Lefant M210 Pro is your go-to. But if you're looking for that extra oomph with mopping capabilities and longer battery life, Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and keep your floors cleaner than your browser history.